Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing and coloring something super kind and super creative. We're drawing Peppa Pig building her own pretend hospital out of cardboard. That's right, Peppa is being a helpful doctor, and she's building a hospital with boxes, paint, and string. She even paints a big blue cross on the front. If you love drawing and learning with us, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a fun story. And if you think Peppa's cardboard hospital looks amazing, give this video a big like. Let's start drawing the scene from the picture. We can draw Peppa holding a paintbrush, standing beside her cardboard hospital. Don't forget the big blue cross she's painting on the front. All around her are bits of cardboard, string, and tape. What a fun and messy build! Today, Peppa is pretending to be a doctor, and she's using recycled boxes to build her very own toy hospital outside in the grass. Here's something important we can learn. You can use your imagination and simple things, like boxes, to build something amazing. And you can help others just like Peppa is helping her friends.
Yes!
What color would you paint your pretend hospital? Would it have a red roof? Rainbow doors? As Peppa finishes painting, she says, "All done! Dr. Peppa is ready to help." George brings a teddy bear on a toy stretcher. "Oh no! Teddy has a sore paw," Peppa says. She uses her pretend stethoscope made of string and paper and says, he needs a bandage and a hug." Suddenly, Danny Dog runs over holding his nose. "Dr. Peppa, I bumped my snout." Peppa gently checks him with a toy thermometer and hands him a leaf blanket. "Rest in the recovery box," she smiles. George makes silly beep-beep sounds from a painted cardboard machine. "That's the snuggle-o-meter," he laughs. "Time for extra cuddles." Let's draw Danny resting next to Teddy and George standing near a cardboard medical machine. If you think play hospitals are the best, give this video a big like. Did you know real hospitals are full of amazing helpers? Doctors and nurses help people feel better every single day. They wear clean uniforms called scrubs, and they wash their hands to stay germ-free. They use stethoscopes to hear your heartbeat, thermometers to check your temperature, bandages to cover cuts, and x-rays to peek at your bones. Here's a fun surprise. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. That's a lot of thump-thumps. And just like Peppa's pretend hospital, real hospitals are full of kindness, care, and tools that help others heal. If you were building a hospital like Peppa's, what would you add? A toy x-ray machine? A snack station? A giggle room? More friends arrive. Rebecca Rabbit has a tickly throat. Peppa says, "Let me check you with my paper stethoscope." Susie Sheep gives out orange juice in a recycled cup and says, "Drink up, it's carrot-flavored medicine." Peppa sings the Get Better Soon song and everyone claps along. Wrap up warm and rest your head. Cuddle your bunny, then snuggle in bed. Helping others makes Peppa feel proud. She reminds us all, being kind is the best medicine. Let's color in the scene now. Peppa with her brush, the cardboard hospital behind her, and all her patients lined up with big smiles. If you love helping Peppa, don't forget to give this video a big like. So bright, so bold, so cool. Today we drew and colored Peppa Pig building her pretend cardboard hospital. We saw her paint it with care, use toys as tools, and help her friends feel better, just like real doctors do. We learned that you can build amazing things with imagination and teamwork. Helping others is a kind and powerful thing, and even cardboard and crayons can turn into something magical. If you had fun today, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next story adventure on Let's Draw and Learn. And one more time, give this video a big like if Peppa's Pretend Hospital inspired you to help others and get creative. Thanks for drawing and learning with me today, friends, and I'll see you next time on Let's Draw and Learn. Bye!